Parenteral drug manufacturing facility consists of 2 production lines that yield high-potency drugs and general injectables with a high sterility assurance level, highly efficient production rooms and equipment, and in compliance with PICS and global GMP requirements. Manufacturing capacity is 1,200 to 8,000 vials per hour for 1 ml to 50 ml vials. The new parenteral drug manufacturing building achieves a high level of cross-contamination prevention with one-way manufacturing flow. The raw materials delivered to the manufacturing area are transported to the weighing and formulation areas that are clearly segregated from the filling area. Various filling loss measures are implemented to reduce residual volume in the formulation process, such as a flat tank design with gravity feeding, pipe design to reduce initial flow loss during filling, and installation of fluid pushing nozzles before and after filtration. Solution after formulation is directly fed to the filling unit via piping. The filling unit is designed to allow switchover to the tube pump filling system for single-use production. Filled vials are fed to the lyophilizer isolator and freeze-dried while maintaining its sterile state. When loading the lyophilizer, low humidity air prevents condensation on vials of the drugs that require filling under low temperature. After lyophilization, the isolator unit switches from positive pressure to negative pressure for containment of hazardous materials. This is how high-potency biologic and other sterile injectable drugs are manufactured one after another. In the filling area, a double HEPA filter is installed on the exhaust line to contain hazardous materials in the event of an unexpected leak. By attaching the port for wet down, immediate filter change is possible while assuring operator safety should HEPA leak occur. In addition, positive and negative pressure control inside the isolator unit and other complex room pressure in broad areas, including clean rooms, are centrally controlled. This is called LOVEST, High Stability Low Pressure Difference Control System. Power source is a dedicated wire for extra high voltage, and electricity is received at 2 delivery points in Tochigi and Gunma prefectures, respectively, to reduce the risk of instantaneous power failure and blackout. In addition, in case of such event, UPS and backup generator would kick in to supply power to important equipment, including lyophilizer, for maintaining the operation and protecting the quality of the products. Hazardous wastewater treatment facility is installed in the machine room area on the first floor. The system we adopted can be switched between high and low concentration wastewater. Further, we prevent cross-contamination by using a separate air handling system dedicated to each area of the process operation. Piping pits are consolidated on the floor under the manufacturing line for flexibility. In addition, additional space not equipped its production line is also available for potential future expansion of manufacturing capacity. Visitors may be taken to the visitors' corridor, which offers a good view of the clean room area without gowning. New parenteral drug manufacturing building was designed based on 4 concepts, namely global GMP compliance, flexibility, stable operation, and prevention of cross-contamination and sterility assurance. From formulation development, CTM manufacturing to commercial production, with our 5 manufacturing plants, both in Japan and overseas, and a formulation development center. We will continue to meet various needs of our customers by providing cutting-edge technologies and innovative services.